afternoon, guys, and welcome to today's vlog. So today we went out this morning earlier on. We went shopping quite early this morning and we ended up picking up an absolute steal, so I'm going to show you that in a minute. But Alfie, we've emptied the pool and it's like all dried out, all the garden's dried, and Alfie's brought his bearded dragon down and they sat in the pool with it, and they put like, he eats bugs and stuff like that, so he's put the bugs in the pool and the bearded dragon is chasing the bugs around the pool, which is really cute and funny at the same time. So I'm going to show you that now and show you my baby girl who's learnt to pick her toys up. Yes. Don't want Mama to get it. Can you get it? Yay. She's so clever. Show me how you grab it now. Hold on, let me get the top. You ready? Oh, I think you might be having a poo because she just had a dinner. Yes.
He can see himself in the pool.
Can he? Let's have a look. Let's see what he's doing. Be nice. Don't be nasty. That's not nice. Oh, you have to be nice. Oh, sorry, son. Just kicks you in the back then. Oh, sorry. You have to be nice to him, otherwise he'll want to go away, won't he? Yeah? Do you not like touching the bugs?
No.
Why?
Because I don't like him.
He can see himself in the pool. He's surfing.
I want to lay down for this, Mom.
Hi!
And look, see shed.
Oh yeah, he's been shedding, as you can see on his leg. Right, leave the bug so we could get it. Tell the guys you were poorly last night, weren't you? She was up.
Sick.
Yeah, you was being sick, weren't you? Oh, it was a poorly girl. I don't know.
He keeps jumping now. Ah, get it. He was just chasing this one before.
Hey, don't. Hi. Hi. How are you? Hey, you're okay? You're safe. You're safe. Yay. Why didn't you get that bug? Look at this bug. That's a big bug for you, that, mate. Anyway, we'll show you what Dave's doing. So, we managed to pick up, we've been saying for ages, going to get Aurora and Vanilla pear, a Sandpit. So, we managed to pick this one up. And on Amazon, it's like, well, it usually retails at like £300, and I think they've got it on offer for like £250, haven't they? And we got this for £99 from Aldi. So if anybody wants to go and get it, it's, you know, it says once it's gone, it's gone. So definitely get to Aldi if you want one of these as quick as you can, because it's a steal. Seriously. Oh, you're getting the bug. Look at him just chilling there. You looking at me?
Yeah, high five.
Right, don't be jumping because you might fall on him.
Hold on now. She's eating my cheek.
She's eating your cheek. Watch you don't lean on her legs, right? Because she's only tiny. Look at her new shoes. Have you seen her shoes? Mini ones. Minnie has got her mini shoes on.
It looks like Mickey Mouse and it's Minnie.
But yeah, this is seriously a steal. I definitely recommend going and getting one. I'm sure she'll have hours of fun with this. And
does it actually shut though?
what do you mean, does it shut? No, you just sit in it. It's just something else you used to do rather than have the pool all the time, because obviously when it's this warm, you don't want to have the pool out every day, because you. Well, we think.
Yeah, because we love getting the bubbles in.
We think Aurora's got a bit of heat stroke, don't we? So we've kept him out in the sun today and out in the pool. She's tired, that's why. Where done it? What's that squeal all about? She's tired, look. She needs to go to sleep. And why haven't you got a book in your hand? That's her first. She's been reading this book that Grandad gave her, right? Grandma. But she said it's just not tickling her fancy. She said she just can't get into it.
So this is going to be the whole Sandpit.
She said it's good, but you know, it's just not me.
Overboard. What? Do you get bored of
So she's like determined whether to go back to the book or leave the book upstairs.
She probably don't want the books anymore. She probably
said just tell Grandma, no, it's not something I like. I'm sure Grandma won't mind.
Yeah, but what if Portia gives Grandma when I'm fed?
Now the books are in.
I know when the books are
You don't eat them.
We also picked up this, catch himself in the bubble, on the washing line. This beautiful birdhouse. How cute is this? Aurora as well buzzing. So we're just deciding where to put it. We don't know whether to put it on this branch here or whether to hang it, buy something for the fence and hang it off there. Just can't decide. But I really want to hang it off this branch and then it'll kind of weigh it down. Just have to see if it'll fit. But yes, we picked this up. I don't know how to put it now. Put it back down here. We also picked up this for $11.99. If anybody's wondering what this is, I'm sure many of you know what it is. But you put your boiled eggs in it, you put your water in it, and this makes your eggs perfect for you. We got this simply because the kids are always asking for eggs, and I thought, you know what? When I'm always rushing around and saying, you'll have to wait, I'm still starting the baby, I can just throw them in here, plug it in, let it ding, the eggs are ready. So, you know, every little helps, every convenience as a mum is needed.
Thank you for getting that. That will make our eggs perfect. Then I don't need to have them nasty ones because Dad always puts them in and it tastes nasty.
I don't think they do.
No, do you know last time? You know when I had my nails on, but all of them fell off? That's when my eggs were not right.
Right, I don't think the eggs not being right made your nails come off.
No, when my nails were not.
And then poor girl is back on here asleep. Just been giving her some juice in a bottle to keep her hydrated. She's not really been drinking. She just keeps going back to sleep and snoozing, so just keep coming in and checking on her. She keeps saying she's cold, but I have pulled the blanket back off her when she's fell asleep. I feel so sorry for him when they're falling because you're just so helpless. You can't do anything for him. You just got to let him sleep it off, haven't we? Eves, I really do feel sorry for you. It's so warm in it. Hey, she's got water and everything. We're going to go and get her a cooling bed in a bit, I think. I think that'll help. And then Max is just sniffing around for bones, aren't you? Need to tidy the living room again. Seriously, I give up. And the kitchen just looks like a bomb has hit it once again. Again, I give up. Minnie Mae's fast asleep here. I think we're going to break this house up and get rid of it just because it's all broke at the back now. I feel a bit tight though. Don't know what to do, so I don't know. I'll think about it. It's quite big, that, isn't it? Didn't realise it was that big. Literally, the boat takes over the garden. It's got a roof on it as well.
Hey?
It's got a roof on it, hasn't it? I like a... Is it plastic, the roof, or is it just material?
Like a tarpaulin.
So, when it's finished, we'll come back and show you. Okay, so Dad's finished it. This is it. Oh, look there, Dad with his shirt on. Woohoo! Running away so no one can see him. Minnie's riding the boat. Yay! She's just had some baby dinner. She's a right chunky one. In fact, I actually tried her with the Lidl's gluten-free and it's organic one, and she loved it. So I usually just get them and I just freeze them into cubes, but I have bought some natural yogurt today and some fruits. I'm going to make her some of my own later. We're going to blend it. Yeah, she had some like milk chocolate off the Magnum ice cream, didn't she? She's so cute. What? Staying there with that.
When can we make some more slushies?
Dad's brought a slush machine home, so we'll do one this week. Do you like that? You wait now, you've had some medicine, you feel a bit better, don't you?
Don't feel hot.
She won't. She'll probably be glad to the sleep. You will have lots of fun. I'm sure Kaya and Arabella will get loads of fun out of this as well. When they come.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right, we're going to get some water, aren't we? Get some water, yeah?